Hello friends, welcome to my channel Handwriting Junction. Today I am going to teach you how to write cursive writing step by step. In my last video, I have written A to Z randomly. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to write cursive writing step by step and how to start, where to end, you can learn. Please watch full video. If you like, please give like and share this video to all your friends. Thank you. So first I'll teach you in plain sheet how to write. Later I will teach you how to write in 4 lines, that is red and blue line. Okay, shall we start? So first I am going to teach you today only 5 letters, that is A to E. So first letter A, you will have to start like this, like small C, go up, come down, take a turn. I hope you understand. So I'll show you once again. First, like small C, up, down, take a turn, like this. So here it should come out a bit. Now I'll show you the next letter B. Like this. Go up. Here slant and big curve. I'll show you once again. Slant, take up, slant, a big curve. See friends, here B, upper part should be small and the lower part should be big. Okay, now I'll show you next letter C. Slant, curve, round. That's it. I shall show you once again. Slant, curve and round. Okay, next D. So D you have to take like B only. So we'll write like B first. Small round, take up and round. So I'll show you once again. Like B, then like L, curve and round. Okay, next letter E. Slant like C, come down, cut there itself, take a big curve and like this. Okay, take slant like C, come down, cut, then big curve, round. So now let us write in 4 lines, means red and blue line. How to write in red and blue line? Start from first blue line, write like C, go up, touch the red line, come down, touch the blue line, go up, like this. Okay, next B. Slant, up, small curve, big curve. Letter C. Letter C. Take in between little up from the second blue line, bit up from the second blue line, take up slantly, come down, up, C. I'll show you once again. See, it didn't come properly. See, take slant, curve, curve, up, round. Okay. Next, D. Okay. Write like B, slant, take a little round, go up, curve, just a turn. Okay, I'll show you once again. Right from the red line, come down, round, up, a turn. Okay, next, E. I'll show you E. Letter E. Take like C, cut here in the blue line, come down, touch the second blue line, turn, round. I'll show you once again. Take from middle of the, not exactly, little up from the second blue line, take up, touch the red line, right, turn in the first blue line, come down and round. Okay friends, I hope you like this video. I'll show you next 5 letters how to write in cursive. So thank you so much for watching this video.